Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna do a little bit of a review. We got the Panasonic Lumix S5 Mark II-X, my favorite camera. I absolutely love this thing. Currently shooting on the Panasonic Lumix S5. We have the 24-70, and I have the 85 Prime in my hand. So we're gonna put the 85 on the Lumix S5 Mark II-X, and we're gonna show you guys how good this camera is with this lens. But before we get started, I gotta say thank you so much to Barbara and Megan at Lumix for supplying me the 24-70 and this 85 Prime. Also, how do you like the Panasonic swag? Nice, right? I like it. Fits good, it's comfortable. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. So I've seen a bunch of questions and comments asking about this 85mm lens and how good it is. Focus breathing seems to be a big thing for a lot of us when we're filming. You don't want it to be too far in and out when you're trying to get that juicy B-roll. So the way I'm gonna do this test, I'm gonna stand about 5 feet from my camera, hold the S5 in front of the camera, pull it away. This barrier here is about 3 feet in front of me. We're gonna go from the barrier to the bush behind it. Now we're back on the 20-60mm. I took up the 85. This 85mm is a beautiful lens. 85 f1.8, fantastic for low light, fantastic for photography, and as you guys saw, it's great for video too. You can't vlog on this 85. I mean, you could, I guess, if you had like a 10-foot stick and you're holding it way out there, if you really wanted to. But with this lens, you definitely can. And vlogging with this and this Lumix S5 Mark II-X is a fantastic thing. You can literally walk around, you can have it sideways, talk, you can show stuff quickly, and then bring it back to your face, and we're in autofocus. That's what I love about this camera. This is a great camera for vloggers, people who want to get into the camera industry. It is, mosquitoes are starting to come out hard. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. There's going to be many more videos on this S5 Mark II-X and every lens possible that we can get from Lumix. So, that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.